66 degrees. That's what we forecast yesterday for today. And it's just after 3:15. EAS? Jeffrey missed it. Who's your EAS, Jeffrey?
In cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, this broadcast house station is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. If an actual emergency existed, information and instruction would have followed the alert tones heard at the beginning of this message. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.